live?
Oh, I can see red. I can see a red now.
Oh,
it's
okay.
recording.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, we're back.
We're back. We just had a color for Veronica, a nice lovely blonde highlighted here. I put her, and we put a natural blonde hair color and some highlights. So we are waiting after how many minutes we have, Veronica?
10 minutes
after
left.
10 minutes left, and then we're gonna wash the hair, and we will show you the color, and we will do the haircut and everything. We show you. So we are still waiting, and we are here live in Vivian Hair Design, and it is a beautiful day today. Yes, Veronica?
Yes, it is beautiful. We should be at the beach, but we can't go. Not till Monday.
Next week, from Monday, we are allowed to go to the beach, yes? So, very nice.
I won't be going.
No, you're scared, Veronica, to go to the beach?
I don't do the beach.
What do you do? Swimming?
Swimming in my swimming pool.
Yeah, it's better to swim in pool these days. 100% sure you will never get coronavirus.
No.
If you stay home. But now is everything okay in Spain, so everybody will be okay. So, this is a lovely, nice highlighted hair. I will show you later when we wash the hair. So, we will say, we love you all.
Yes.
All my family, everybody in the world, all my friends and all my customers, we love you all. We wish to see you soon, without mask and everything.
Yes, hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah. Especially now with the heat, it's too hot to have everything on. Don't you think that, Veronica?
Yes, very hot with all this plastic
with all
over
the plastic,
me.
with all the things, with all the masks and all the gloves and all the things.
Gloves?
Yeah. We wish we will finish this next month.
Yes.
Yeah.
All being well.
Yeah, just a little bit waiting and waiting to be better the world for us.
Yes.
So. We want to say hi to Joanne, sister of Veronica. She lives in
Malaga.
In Malaga. Hi, Joanne. You remember?
Hi, Joanna.
Yeah, we are okay, and Veronica's okay. She's very happy to have her hair done today.
Yes.
And later we're gonna send you some pictures. Yeah. And everybody in Campo de Golf is playing golf. It is nice day. It is nice weather. How much was the temperature, Veronica? It was very hot today, no?
Yes. I think up to about 29.
29 degrees in Spain today. Just today, yes. Very, very hot. So happy to be open the beach next week so everybody can go cool down in the beach.
Yes, social distancing.
Yeah, when you go to the beach, you need to stay 4 meters from everybody. That's what they did. They showed in TV Spanish. So after this, we're gonna wash her hair, and after washing her hair, so we're gonna cut a little bit from it and blow dry it, and very nice blow dry. We'll show it to you, yes? And
Yes, I can't wait to see it.
It's very nice, yeah. As you see, there's nobody here, only Veronica, because we need to do social distance.
Yeah.
So we are working specially today for Veronica.
Yes, I'm very honoured.
Yeah. So Veronica, you want to say something else to everybody? Or did you say anything?
Hi, Vivian. Can't wait to see you again. Hello, Carlos.
What about you, boy?
Hi, OJ. I hope you're out of bed yet.
It's very early now in Spain, so many people are sleeping. Yeah.
You should be up.
Yeah. Okay, Veronica, how many minutes do you have?
Another 5.
5 minutes. Okay, we will say to everybody, thank you very much for
Yes, see you in a while.
We need to prepare everything before Anika to wash her hair. So we will say bye-bye.
Bye, see you in
Bye.
a while.
Do you know how to close it, Veronica?
Still on?
Which one? Which one is that? Sorry for that. We don't know how to use it. Which one is it? Is it this one?
I can't see it.
Okay.